Hey everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to unprotect your tweets on Twitter application. So let's get started. Begin by launching your X application. Then tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of your screen. Tap on Settings and Support. Scroll down a little and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now select Privacy and Safety option. Select the very first option, that is Audience and Tagging. Now disable Protect Your Post option. And this is how you can unprotect your tweets on Twitter application. Thanks for watching Online Help Guide. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.